Blast off. SpaceX launches its Starship on Flight 7 and catches the booster for the second consecutive time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Vehicles pitching downrange. Booster chamber pressure is nominal.
All right, we're more than 30 seconds into flight. Telemetry showing 33 out of 33 engines as it's pitching downrange.
Booster, ship, avionics, power, and telemetry nominal.
Hearing good call-outs on the ship and booster avionics. You just heard the rumble hitting us about 6 miles away. Watching Starship arc into just endless blue skies right now.
It's like this silver flare coming back to the once again we are standing by for attempting to catch the booster at the tower. This would be the second tower catch.
Booster
landing burn. Seeing 13 engines.
Booster now hovering as it aligns with the tower for catch.
Booster coming in. Get ready for that boom, Kate.
Down to 3 engines.
Booster landing burn shut down. Megavolt has caught the booster.
Touchdown. And you can hear the roar of the crowd, cheers and applauses. While the booster landed successfully, the ship did not make it. This here show footage of the ship after it exploded into pieces. Elon Musk was first to explain what had happened. He explained that the rocket broke apart because of an oxygen fuel leak in the cavity above the ship's engine firewall. This leak created pressure that proved to be beyond the engine's vending capacity.
Wow. This is not right. Something happened. This exploded. This thing has exploded. No, I don't think so. You think something's wrong? Yeah, oh, absolutely. There's no one in that, right? No. No one was in it, right? No.
Oh, thank God.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at those colors.
There we go, look.
Yeah, Abe, look at the chopstick.